Do you want to restrict someone's account on Instagram? You can restrict any followers on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To restrict someone's account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you are on Instagram, navigate to the profile of the person you want to restrict. You can search for their username in the search bar. Once you are on your friend's or someone's Instagram profile, tap on the three dots menu located in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Restrict. Once restricted, their comments on your posts will only be visible to them unless you approve them.